First, I want to congratulate you on completing your undergraduate degree program in mathematics and or statistics. I took that step years ago at this institution. I obtained an undergraduate degree in biochemistry. Early on in my journey, I knew that the road to getting a PhD would be a road that I would travel one day, but I had no intention of being traditional about it. And I took the road less traveled. My journey was one of revelation. The steps of my journey were revealed along the way. For the next decade, I would make decisions that would chip away at where I was destined to be. My stint conducting biomedical research built my understanding of micro and macro processes that drive many chronic disease progression, such as atherosclerosis. My time spent conducting health sciences research brought awareness to me of the impact that public health has on our community and our nation. All the while, I was gaining practical experience at every level, doing various jobs and eventually professions. I wasn't on this journey alone. I had a growing family that shaped the way I saw the world and my role in it. There were exciting times met with unimaginable challenges. I grew beyond measure, and ultimately the experiences culminated to making the biggest transition ever. One that took me back to the ideals birthed from my roots, back to elementary school where I loved mathematics and arithmetic. I was totally intrigued by the systematic cadence of the steps of problem solving. But like oftentimes we neglect constructs that run smooth until they don't. I paid no attention to the one subject that I did extremely well in. But in the end, life brought me back to the beginning, mathematics. I chased my destiny. I realized that every process that makes an institution operate, whether academic, industrial, or governing, has backbones built by mathematics. It became clear to me that the source of a thing controls its steady state and the states that bring about its change. And the source was mathematics and statistics. So I decided to pursue my PhD study sooner than expected. Being a PhD student in computational mathematics was and has been extremely beneficial in building my knowledge base to envision the creation of pathways that have the potential to answer questions that we haven't been able to chip away at. So as you can see, my professional path has been complex, interesting, and unique. It can't be mapped by any tangible construct, but I hope that it inspires you to take the events that lead to your rejections and successes as directional stimuli that will lead you to the next step of your unique journey. I hope that you remain enthusiastic and energetic about applying the skills you have acquired. Remain focused on what makes you want to get up out of the bed in the morning and become the best at it by any means necessary. And again, congratulations on a job well done.